Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Philips 5000 series earbuds like these 5506s here. You might want to do this if they're not connecting to Bluetooth or if they keep disconnecting or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear. A lot of issues like this will be fixed with a hard reset and it's pretty easy to do. All we need to do is actually before we reset the earbuds, we should go ahead and have whatever devices we've paired them with, delete them from those devices, and then go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off so it's not trying to pair while we're doing this. And then all you need to do is you can reset the earbuds individually or you can hold them at the same time if you want. So all you need to do is on the multifunction button on the back, we just want to press and hold it for at least 25 seconds. You can just go ahead and do 30 seconds on each. That way you'll know that you've done it right. So just go ahead and press and hold on each of them for 30 seconds. Once that's done, you can go ahead and put them back in their case, take them out of the case, turn them back on, and pair them with whatever you like as a brand new device. Thanks a lot for watching.